Now in construction, we are on which question, Shivani?
So question number 3, you have given homework.
Okay. And 4. Now read the fourth question.
Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3.6 centimeter, BC is equal to 3.3 centimeter, AD is equal to 2.7 centimeter, diagonal AC is equal to 4.6 centimeter, and diagonal BD is equal to 4 centimeter.
Oh, it's okay. So now we have two diagonals. Now we have two diagonals. Okay. And one more thing. Uh, Today we do this exercise, and tomorrow we will do the revision of the PT9. So everyone get collect whatever. Please, you have to collect the doubts and ask within a class tomorrow. Tomorrow is basically a revision class for the PT9. Thursday, Friday, because Friday or Saturday we have PTs. Okay, now the fourth question is, in fourth question you can you see there is three side and two diagonal is given. Okay, now if we make a rough figure, तो ये कुछ ऐसा ही बनेगा. यहाँ इसका डायगोनल होगा ऐसे क्रॉस्ड, और एक ये ऐसे. यस, मीन्स कि तीन साइड गिवन है. सपोज हम इसमें देख लेते हैं कि कौन कौन से. सपोज दिस इज ए बी एंड सी डी. एवरीवन ड्रॉ द रफ फिगर प्लीज. ए बी इज इक्वल टू 3.6, बी सी इज इक्वल टू 3.3, AD is equal to 2.7, AD is equal to 2.7, and then two diagonals. AC is 4.6 and BD is 4 centimeter. Clear? So
Yes,
now from the question number 9, we have to we change a little. We can change the way of constructing the quadrilateral. Before we are drawing the diagonal, now we can draw the side. See the rough, according to the rough figure, we can draw the, because this side is unknown. So we start with AB. First, AB, everyone draw please. AB 3.6 centimeter with the help of scale. Everyone draw with the help of scale. AB is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Then, then at B, sorry, then take a compass, take a radius of 2.7, put the compass on A and mark, like you put the compass on A and mark 2.7 like this. From the point A, you have to mark 2.7. Clear? किसी को कोई doubt होगा तो please पूछ लेना मेरे से. Now first you have to construct AB, that is equal to 3.6. Then take a radius of 2.7, and from center A you can draw the arc that is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Now take a radius of 4 centimeter. Third step means first we have to draw this, second this, and now third this, the diagonal. Now take a radius of 4 centimeter, put a compass on B and cut this arc. We get the point D and join this A and B. इतना बन गया सबका?
yes, sir.
Good. Now take a radius of 3.3, fourth one. Now take a radius of 3.3 and put a compass on B and mark the arc that is 3.3. ठीक है, जैसे भी होगा वो तुम्हें अपने आप देखना है। अगर हम इसको मार्क करेंगे तो ऐसे करके बनेगा। सॉरी। Now, the fourth step is take a radius of 3.3 centimeter, put a compass on B, point P, and make a arc that is equal to 3.3. After that, we can draw the last part, that is the diagonal AC. So take a radius of 4.6 centimeter in your compass. Take a radius of 4.6 centimeter in your compass and put at point A. A के ऊपर उसे place करो और you can cut the previous this arc, and now you can join, this is the C point, and join with B also, and then finally you can join CD. सबका बन गया या नहीं बना? Yes, I want to know कि everyone सबका बन गया कि नहीं बना? बन
Sir,
गया
I
सब?
am doing.
Okay, you are doing. Okay, do. And after completing this construction, you can measure the CD is equal to what is the distance of CD, or what is the length of CD? Done?
Sir, CD is equal to 2.7 centimeter.
CD is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Okay, everyone got the answer or not? Yuva,
Yes, sir.
2.7 centimeter. और थोड़ा बहुत
Sir, I
डिफरेंस
have
हो
not
सकता है,
measured.
इट मे बी 2.6 हो, इट मे बी 2.6.5 हो, 2.65 हो, इट्स डजंट मैटर। थोड़ा बहुत
Yes, sir, I
मिलीमीटर
got
में
that.
डिफरेंस हो सकता है, अदरवाइज इट इज 2.7। एवरीवन मस्ट राइट द होल नंबर, मतलब ये 7 में होल लिखना है, 7.5 नहीं बनाना है, 7.2 नहीं बनाना है, और एवरीवन मस्ट राइट लाइक दिस 2.7 और 2.6। अगर जिसका 2.6 आ रहा है वो दे कैन राइट 2.6, और किसी का 2.8 आ रहा है तो दे विल राइट 2.8. Done? Can I
Yes, sir.
can I start?
2.6.
Now the question number 5 and 6. You can do your own because this is based on the diagonal only. This question number 6, 4, 5 and 6. Question number 5 and 6. And yes, from the question number 7, there is a different construction. So 5 and question number 6 is your homework. Please mark this question number 5 and 6. Now the seventh question. Now read the Yuva, read the seventh question, please.
Construct a quadrilateral ABC in which AB equals to BC equals to 3.5 centimeter and AD equals to CD equals to 5.2 centimeter
Mm-hmm.
and angle ABC equals to 120 degree.
ठीक है. Uh, 3.5, and this is AD and CD, AD and CD. AD is 5.2 and this is 5.2. And one of the question number 7, yes, an angle ABC. This is 120 degree. Okay, now everyone see, this is the rough figure for this. Here, now the diagonal is not there. You have to draw without diagonal, and every time you can see this construction. Now this is the angle, so this construction is called SAS construction. Clear? Side angle side construction. SAS. So first we have to draw this, then second draw the angle, means we have to draw the angle second, third third this, then fourth, and this is fifth. See the numbering, please. And now start drawing. First draw a line AB. Draw a line segment AB, that is 3.5 centimeter. Clear? नहीं, मेरे को थोड़ा इधर बनाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मुझे 120 डिग्री A B, this is 3.5 centimeter. Is it visible to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first thing is we have to draw a line segment AB and then put a compass on B, draw a small radius, then without changing the radius, you can make a arc first and second. So first is 60 and the second is 120. You can draw like this. This is 120 degree angle. 120 डिग्री एंगल बन जाएगा, उसके बाद हमें कुछ करना है. नाउ दिस इज डन और नॉट? I repeat this two step. First draw a line segment AB that is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then take a radius B, the open compass, whatever you want, small, little, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You just open and put a compass at B and draw a semicircle. Then you take a point on, then there is a point on AB. Put a compass here without changing the radius. जितना semicircle बनाया है उतना ही compass को रखना है, disturb नहीं करना है. And put the first arc and then double it. First is 60 degree and the second is 120 degree. Okay. Now after that, you can take a radius of 3.5 centimeter in your compass. You can take a radius of 3.5 centimeter in your compass and then put at B and cut this line. Cut this line. This is say AX, say BX. Suppose ये 3.5 मान नहीं, थोड़ा नीचे कर देते हैं. Suppose see from 3.5 is this. Take a radius of 3.5 centimeter, put a compass on B and cut the line, say BX. And now this point is called C. Now the fourth step is, सबने इतना ड्रॉ कर लिया है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the fourth step.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Now take a radius of 5.2 with the help of scale in your compass. Take a radius of 5.2. 5.2 in your compass with the help of scale and put the compass at point A and mark an arc like this. 5.2 centimeter. It is 5.2 centimeter away from point A. Take a radius of 5.2 centimeter in your compass with the help of scale. Then put a compass at A and mark an arc. And the
Sir,
next,
done.
done, good. Now the
Yes, sir, done.
next, next step. Now the next is with the same radius because CD is 5.2 only. So with the same
Yes.
radius means 5.2. You can cut this arc. इसको काट देंगे. We can cut the previous arc and we get a point D. And join this. और देखो क्या बन गया ये quadrilateral या नहीं. Your quadrilateral is with scale, my quadrilateral is without scale. It's just a rough. And whatever the given, you have to write. Done?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Everyone done? Riya, तुम्हारे से बन गया ये?
Yes, sir.
Very nice, very nice. Good, very good. Keep it up because तुम लोग ये construction, you all are doing this construction in online class, and in online class it is slightly difficult. जो मैं बोलता हूँ शायद कुछ ना मिस हो जाए तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है बनाने में. You all are very good. So now Riya, can you read the 8th question for me?
Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 2.9 centimeter, BC equal to 3.2 centimeter, and CD equal to 2.7 centimeter, DA equal to 3.4 centimeter, and angle A equal to 70 degree.
See, तो Riya, you just tell me कि 70-degree angle is possible. The construction of 70 degree is possible with compass or not?
No, sir.
No, very true. So everyone, this is everyone now listen कि the we just did the question number 7 अभी just किया था हमने और question number 8 is the same, but in question number 8 we can draw 70 degree with the help of protector because it is not possible to draw the 70 degree with the help of compass. So the question number 8 you can do your own. Or if you see these are the homework or anyone finds any problem, finds any problem while constructing these questions that is given in your homework, please ask within a class. Okay, पूछ सकते हैं. It's not any problem कि सर ये मुझे आया नहीं है मुझसे बना नहीं. ठीक है? Is it be clear? सबको बात समझ
Yes,
में
sir.
आ गई है I think. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
now we move on question number 9. And Shraddha, can you read the question number 9?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, CD equal to 4.6 centimeter, angle B equal to 125 degree, and angle C equal to 60 degree.
जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ा तुमने मैं तो. अच्छा गुड गुड नहीं कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. Now see everyone first make the rough figure like this. A quadrilateral ABCD है. There is a quadrilateral ABCD and now this is the question number 9. AB is 3.5 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter and CD is 2.7 centimeter. AD is 3.4. अरे ये तो हो गया ना ये कौन सा मैं कर रहा हूँ. This is 3.55 and this is 4.6. CD is equal to 4.6 centimeter and angle B is equal to 25 and angle C is equal to 60. Okay, this is 120 degree and this is 60 degree. Now you see this construction is called a angle side angle construction, ASA. ठीक है? In this, first we have to draw the side. So, Shraddha, tell me, मुझे ये बताओ कि कौन से एंगल्स गिवन है इसमें? एंगल कौन सा एंगल गिवन है इसमें?
Say angle B 125 degree and angle C 60 degree.
It is 125.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
So 125 degree and this is okay. And now we know that ki, and this angle is based on BC, side BC. So first we have to draw BC, BC which is equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? Everyone must draw a line segment BC which is equal to 5 centimeter. And 125 is possible with compass. Sorry. No, it is not possible. 150 और 120. 150 it is 270. 3. So one thing is 125 is not possible to construct with the help of compass. So everyone take a protractor and draw protractor 125 degree. With the help of protractor you can draw angle B which is equal to 125 degree. Clear everyone or not? किसी को कोई confusion है तो please पूछ सकते हो. You have to draw the angle B with the help of protractor. कंपस से नहीं बना सकते हम 125. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now for C, you can use the compass to draw 60 degree. First, take a small radius like this and without changing the radius, you can mark like this and draw a line like this. ठीक है? Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
इतना बन गया सबका?
Yes, sir.
इतना हो
Yes,
गया
sir.
सबका? Now take a radius of 3.5. This AB or BA. Take a radius of 3.5 and cut this line, say BX. Take a radius of 3.5 and cut the ray or line, not it is ray BX 3.5. Suppose हम 3.5 करते हैं, मतलब we take a radius of 3.5, put a compass at B and then cut 3.5 centimeter. This is the point A. And now the next step is, now यहाँ तक हो गया सबका?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we have to locate the point D only. A locate कर लिया, B है और C है हमारे पास. Now we have to locate D point. So now take a radius of 4.6. This is here. CD is equal to 4.6 centimeter. So take a radius of 4.6 centimeter. First take a radius of 4.6 centimeter, put a compass at C and cut the ray, that is CY. C पे अपना कंपास रखो और इसे कट करो 4.6 पे. And this is the D. And now join A and D. and now this is 60 degree, you have to mention here, and this is 4.6 centimeter, and now Shraddha, what is AB? What is AB is equal to? Tell me what is AB? How much? What is the length of AB? Everyone, please measure AD. Sorry, not AB. AD. Everyone, please tell me. Measure the length of AD and tell me.
सर वो प्रोटेक्टर नहीं मिल रहा था तो आई जस्ट ड्रॉन इट रफली नाउ.
देखा, अभी पता चल गया ना मुझे पता चल गया ना कि प्रोटेक्टर नहीं मिल रहा था. अरे कंपास है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट बॉक्स है, उसके अंदर प्रोटेक्टर नहीं है. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम डोंट डू. अच्छा शिवानी,
ये सर.
व्हाट इज, अगली बार भूलना नहीं है, प्रोटेक्टर लाना है. नाउ शिवानी, व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ एडी?
4.5.
4.5. okay, and Saksham, what is the length of AD? Yuva?
4.7.
4.7. It's okay, no problem. Ria, what is the
4.6.
4.6. Saksham. Okay, Ria. Ria. Ria, are you there or not?
Sir, 4.8.
4.8. 4.6, 4.6, 4.7 and 4.8. This is a huge difference.
Sir, 4.5 होगा.
Your answer is 4.5 and Ria's answer is 4.8. Saksham is 4.6 and 7. So please check. It may be 4.6. तो थोड़ा सा शिवानी तुम्हारा ठीक है, इट इज ओके, बट रिया यू हैव टू चेक, योर लेंथ इज स्लाइटली मोर. 4.8 नहीं होना चाहिए, 4.6. एवरीवन चेक, द करेक्ट इज 4.6 और 4.5. ओके एवरीवन
सर
डन?
मैंने रफली ड्रॉ किया है फिर भी 4.6 आ रहा है.
हाँ 4.56 ही आएगा.
सर मेरा सारा साइड बुक के अकॉर्डिंग है. 3.5, 5 सेंटीमीटर, 4.6 और 4.5.
ओके 4.6 बुक के अकॉर्डिंग है.
यस सर.
तो ठीक है, देखो 4.6 इज द बेस, तो 4.5 हो सकता है. 1 मिलीमीटर के लिए हमें कोई इश्यू नहीं है, और प्लस में भी हो सकता है, यानी प्लस माइनस 1 मिलीमीटर हम देख सकते हैं. मींस द आंसर गिवन इज 4.6, सो इट मे बी 4.5 और 4.7, लेकिन 4.8 नहीं हो सकता. देयर इज अ 3 मिलीमीटर डिफरेंस, बिकॉज वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग द मिनिमम. 4.7 इज आवर बेस, तो 4.8 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो
60 डिग्री भी वही आ रहा है.
ठीक है, वो दोबारा से कंस्ट्रक्ट करके देखोगे तो हो जाएगा. नाउ टिल क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 वी फिनिश्ड, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 and 11 we will do after the PT9. And see, 5, 6 and 8 is your homework. Please mark this. 5, 6.
Okay, sir.
5, 6 and 8. Until 9 it is complete. Next after the PT we will start from question number 10. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Now the class is over. Tomorrow will be the revision class. So
थैंक
please,
यू सर.
Thank you, sir.
okay. Tomorrow will be the revision class. So everyone please collect the doubts as much as possible. Bye bye.
Okay, sir.